Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today's recipe is a traditional Bengali recipe of Tel Koi. Koi is a freshwater fish and quite popular in Bengal. To make this recipe we need salt, cumin seeds, nigella seeds, turmeric powder, red chili, green chilies and ginger. Also we need clean and cut koi fishes and mustard oil. Marinate the fish with turmeric powder and salt. The fish is quite slimy in nature or slippery, so marinate it gently with hand. Rub the turmeric and salt well onto the body of the fish. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now make a fine paste of ginger, green chilies, red chilies and cumin seeds. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Once it comes to the smoking point, drop in the koi fishes. Fry till both the sides of the fishes are golden or golden brown. Koi fishes generally have huge nutritious value. Since they are freshwater fish, they are high in omega-3 fatty acids. So once fried, we can take out the fish pieces and keep them separate. Now in the same oil, drop in nigella seeds and green chilies. Add the ginger paste that we made and stir fry it till the rawness of it disappears and oil starts to float on top. Since it's Tel Koi, the amount of oil should be a little on higher sides. You can make it with less amount of oil as well, it's your wish. Add water, preferably hot water, and let it bring to a boil. Once the water is boiling, drop in the koi fishes. Adjust the level of salt in the gravy and simmer. Cook till the gravy is of desired consistency and oil starts to float on the top of the fish. So once done, switch off the flame. Now time for plating. Tel Koi is a wonderful recipe and you can serve it with piping hot rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.